Hi everyone, so welcome back to the second video of eye makeup series, and I will teach you the lens application. As you can see, you have to taken the lens in your middle finger and move the client eye pupil, close it, fix it close to the eye pupil, close the eye and give a circular movement massage with a very soft hand. Here is you are done now. Open the client eye, see the lens is fixed or not. You can see that lens application is done. Now clean the water from the eye with the help of dry wipe. You can see the final result now. See the difference in the eye. So thank you so much.